What is .NET and .NET Framework? First of all, when we talk about the .NET is a software component. It is a software component developed by the Microsoft. Microsoft .NET is a software component which runs under the operating system, Windows operating system. Next, it provides tools and libraries for the developer to create Windows software much easier and faster. It provides tools and libraries for the developers to create the Microsoft Windows software. By using this, much faster and easier you can develop. And next thing is, here in .NET it benefits the end user by providing the applications of higher quality and security. In .NET we have to install the .NET framework to run the .NET applications. To run the .NET applications, we have to install the .NET framework on user's PC. In every user's PC we have to install the .NET framework. Next, coming to the .NET framework, it is a Microsoft development platform which is released in the year 2002. Later on, several improvements has been take place for the strong and efficient platform. In this platform, we are going to develop several applications like network applications and as well as distributed applications. You can develop network applications and as well as distributed applications. Here, not only develop the application, we can deploy the application and we can execute the application. First of all, after developing the application, we are going to execute the application, and next you are going to deploy the application. In single framework, you are going to develop the application, next you are going to execute the application, and as well as you are going to deploy the application. And in .NET framework, why we are calling this .NET as the .NET framework, and other languages we are calling as C is a language and C++ is a language, but coming to the .NET we are calling it as a framework because it supports multiple languages, multiple technologies and multiple databases. In .NET we have nearly 60 plus of languages. Here we have 60 plus of languages, but among the 60 plus of languages, only 9 languages were developed by Microsoft, and the other languages we call it as third party languages. And in this we have multiple technologies, like we have ASP.NET and ADO.NET. And next is multiple databases. We have like SQL Server, Oracle, MS Access, but Microsoft recommended us to use SQL Server as the database. So next we are going to see the architecture of the .NET framework.